Yes, Goodbudget is still free to use, and they continue to offer a permanent free tier that does not require a credit card or expire over time. However, the free version comes with strict limitations that you need to be aware of if you are planning to use it for your household finances. Under the free plan, you are restricted to 10 regular monthly envelopes and 10 annual or goal envelopes, giving you a total of 20 envelopes. Furthermore, the free tier limits you to just one financial account, syncing across a maximum of 2 devices, and provides only 1 year of transaction history. Another major factor with the free version is that it does not include automatic bank syncing. Every single transaction you make must be entered manually into the app. While manual entry can be a great tool for building financial discipline and making you more mindful of your daily spending, it can also become tedious if you have a high volume of transactions. If you want to unlock automatic bank syncing for US banks, unlimited regular and annual envelopes, unlimited accounts, support for up to 5 devices, and 7 years of transaction history, you would need to upgrade to their paid tier, known as Goodbudget Premium. That tier costs $10 per month or $80 if paid annually. Ultimately, if you only need a basic system, are comfortable managing up to 10 monthly spending categories, and don't mind typing in your purchases by hand, the free plan is entirely functional and will cost you nothing. But if your financial life requires dozens of categories, multiple bank accounts, or automated imports, you will quickly outgrow the free version and need to decide if the paid subscription fits your budget. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.